Taking a look at Jasmy, we can see that Jasmy is attempting to have short-term bounces. However, nothing of concern as we're not seeing any type of real push to the 236 at around 87. Now we can make the case that if Bitcoin does get the relief rally to 100,000, there's a very strong probability that Jasmy does actually rally to the 236 at 87. However, if Bitcoin does not actually get that rally, there will be no retracement to 87, which would suggest that Jasmy is still bearish for another move to the downside. In the event that the retracement does come and we do not break over 87, the price of Jasmy is still considered bearish, and a break over 87 would confirm a rally all the way up to 10.3 or 1.3 cents or 1.03 cents. At that point, we would take a look at the macro 382 from the high down to the low and the downtrend that started back in July, and suggest that if Jasmy is able to get all the way up to 102, however, and not break through, then it is still considered macro bearish, and again, another large move to the downside will take place. Only getting over 103 could we actually look for a macro bottom, much higher prices for Jasmy, around 1.3 and 1.6 cents. And if there is no relief rally, and as long as we remain below 87, we'd actually be looking again for lower prices of around 601, potentially 51 for Jasmy, in my opinion.